Wow.
Lambos.
Yes.
Wow.
Meantime, turning now to our weather. Gorgeous day out there today, Bill.
Yeah, really nice. You know, we got late in the day to clear out a lot of the cloud cover, but fog and haze has been kind of the pattern, and looks like a little bit of a shift in the upper levels could help us with a chance of rain. We desperately need it, and it's about the only chance in our 7-day forecast. Let's get outside in a moment. First, I've got to show you what I did this Tuesday morning.
Watching Tuesdays with Taylor
on Ken's 5.
Oh, yes. Thank you, gentlemen. We did a little experiment this morning. Yes, we did. We were talking static electricity. So we took those balloons and we actually used oatmeal, oats. There's a little flour, sugar, and salt. And then you just get a good amount of static electricity going. There you go. And then it picks up those little elements right off the plate. See it? Look at that. It was really cool. Just a good lesson in positive and negative charge. You can see cloud to cloud, and then those negatives charge, find those positive charges on the surface. Hey, great time at Jackson Keller Elementary, Tuesdays with Taylor. Remember, when thunder roars, get indoors. Speaking of lightning. All right, here on the hill tonight, winds are pretty calm. You know, we had a nice little breeze earlier. Temperature-wise, we're still above the seasonal high, 73 with an east-southeast wind about 10 miles an hour, dew point about 66. Highs today were up there, 89 Pleasanton, but 97 Pearsall, Cotulla both again. 91s at George Weston, Beeville, Carrizo Springs hit 91, 88s on the Rio Grande. R81 along with Seguin, and welcome to San Antonio. Right on time. Once again, that was the same deal last night. So we should have stopped at 72. The record, only 8 degrees away, stays in place again. That's an old record, too. 1929, hitting a record high. Overnight, we're dipping down to the mid-60s before another above-average afternoon. Mid-80s for us, closer to 90 to the south, and humid. No break from the humidity. As dew points are staying until in the 60s, until probably the start of next week. So this front that comes through is going to be a weak one, and some of the models aren't even bringing it all the way through. Now, we're going to see southeast winds continue to maintain that moisture, and it will get breezy at times, so that'll inhibit the fog development. Anytime you get a good wind, it's hard for fog to develop. So we could see some patchy fog tomorrow. Maybe the worst is up near Kerrville at about 5:30 in the morning. But once we get the sun up, it looks like we won't be dealing with much fog. High pressure in control for now, but a little breakdown in this atmospheric condition could help lead to that chance of rain. It doesn't look like much. We'll get a few showers up across North Texas first, a little bit of light drizzle with the morning clouds, and then it's looking like Thursday night into early Friday is when we have our best chance of getting some rain in here. And it's not looking like very much in the gauge, maybe about 1/4 of an inch at best. We need more rain than that. All right, 7-day forecast time from downtown. We're looking mid-80s next couple of days, then almost a 20-degree swing for Friday's front. That's a 30% chance of rain. Does not get better right now. And then we'll quickly rebound. We're going into the mid-80s again for Saturday, Sunday. Beautiful day Sunday. Hate that we're going to lose an hour of it, but don't forget to set your clocks ahead before you go to bed. Really, what's left? The microwave clock?